Vipassana and Shamatha are the two basic types of meditation. Shamatha, or stabilizing or concentration meditation, refers to the act of one-pointed concentration on a single object or image. Because our mind are almost always distractedly and ceaselessly running after forms, sounds, smells, tastes, and sensations, like restless monkey, the practice of shamatha is designed to bring an active mind to a place of stillness and calm abiding. Vipassana, also known as clear seeing or insight meditation, is a means of developing deep insight into true nature of all phenomena. It is the wisdom of seeing things in a direct and especially clear way, and can be further classified as analytical or settling meditation.